So let's quickly see the outcome of this before we proceed with this strategy right here. So as you can see, we just made 17% here. It's Matthew again, and today is 27th of October 2020. This is our second strategy for today. And briefly before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the Tusk Kilper boats, that's the automated trading boat for Deriv and Binary.com, just visit www.tuskkilper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. And here again are some of the results of the boat. The boat is fully automated and it works on Deriv and Binary.com, and it's just 9.9 USD. And most important reasons why you need to purchase the boat is we release regular updates on this boat, and once it's out, we are going to send it to those who have previously purchased the boat at no cost. And the version 4.1 is out, and we've already sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boat. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, or bank transfer, debit card. When you visit the page, here's a link again to purchase the boat, www.tuskkilper.ctytechnologies.com.ng, and here are some of the features of the boat. For those who don't have a trading account, we are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. Just visit this link. We'll paste the link in the video description on YouTube on all our videos. Just use the link to sign up for a free trading account. Here again is a link to subscribe to our channel. We drop more strategies on this channel, so just visit this link to subscribe to our channel. We'll paste this link in the video description on YouTube as well. If you want to see this one that has the confirmation, it's going to take you straight to the link to subscribe. And if you are watching directly on YouTube, you can just click the subscribe button on YouTube to subscribe to our channels. There's a link to the second channel. So let's get back to the trading right here. So here I've logged into the Deriv interface. I've logged into the Deriv interface, and I'm using the DTrader. I'm using the trend indicator, the zigzag indicator right here. So we are trading the volatility 50 index, and if you are using this strategy, you have to watch carefully and be patient because of the gap between this and this. There has to be a long gap between this and this before you click on purchase. So you click on indicator, you click on the trend indicator, then you click on the zigzag indicator. You see this line right here. So let me quickly click on that because there's a long gap between that. Let's wait for the outcome of that trade before we proceed with the explanation again. So you can see we won that trade right there. So you have to be fast when clicking on the no touch. So let's proceed again with the explanation. So you change this to no touch, touch, no touch. The tick is 5 tick. You set the barrier to plus 0.07 or 0.07. There's a gap again there, so we'll click on that. So before I explain again what the strategy is all about. So after this, we'll have won 3 trades. You can see we won that trade again. So let me quickly explain this and go for one last trade before we proceed to the next strategy. So the barrier is plus 0.07. We enter the stake. Then when there is a gap between this line, this barrier, and this, when this drops down and you see a very wide gap between them, you click on purchase. This has to drop down and there has to be a gap. You can see there's a gap there again. You can see the gap. That's going to be our last trade there before we proceed to the next strategy. Let's watch the outcome again. So as you can see, we won 4 trades here. So once there is a deep gap between this barrier, you can see there's a gap again. So if you click on no touch immediately, we are going to win that trade. So when there's a gap between this and the down, but this has to drop down, and you see the gap. This is a barrier line. This is a plus 0.07 we set here. This is a line. This one has to be down and there has to be a wide gap before you click on the no touch. So that's what this strategy is all about. And for those who haven't purchased the boat again, don't forget this is the boat, www.tuskkilper.ctytechnologies to purchase the boat. And here are some of the results of the boat right here. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.